stranglehold over your reality. The way of the world in ancient times was the mindset of teenage girls, laughing and giggling and playing in each other's hair.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The New World Order. You're hardwired to use your intellect. When we were children, our knowing ability was turned on. We were scientists, experimentalists, learning and growing through our imagination. The minute you set foot in a school, the training begins. When I say training, that's exactly what it is. No learning at all. This program has been inundated into our consciousness. Intellectual thinking and rote learning is the way of the world.
Quad!
We're in a constant state of programming and mind control. We're not using our right mind or our right brain at all in our journey. We've been tricked, bamboozled, hoodwinked, and lost our way of understanding and knowing our world.
Oh, I say it again. You've been had. You've been taught. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok. This is what he does.
The inundation is called white supremacy, or in my own words, left brain prisoners. Now, when I say white supremacy, don't get all your panties in a bunch if you Caucasian and you follow my work. White supremacy is a way of thinking, a mindset, not a color. I could give two shits what the color of your skin is, but the idea and the programming just happen to be called that. The New World Order is in. The New World Order is in. The New World Order is in. The New World Order is the idea of letting your left brain reign supreme. Your intellect, rationale, common sense take a stranglehold over your reality. The way of the world in ancient times was the mindset of teenage girls, laughing and giggling and playing in each other's hair. Creativity, intuition, and moving how the wind blows was the way of the world. Sleeping on it and getting your answer from your spirit is the true world way. An air of knowing is what I'm trying to convey, and going with your heart is how the masses moved. Now, the mindset of the people and the movement of the masses is what you can intellectually remember. Whoever has the most schooling or programming gets paid for their efforts. The higher you climb up the training ladder, the more money they'll give you. The doctors gets paid the most for all their schooling programming they went through. These left brain prisoners are truly out of their mind, their right mind. The left brain prisoner's way of the world is not how you assimilate your information or understand your chaos being self. We want to give it all to spirit and move accordingly. Or 90% spirit, 10% human mundane world thinking. Giving your 10% tithes. Nowadays it's reversed. Boys had a spiritual at 3% and 97% Their intellectual, mundane thinking is running their reality. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. And when we understand to the core, we're not human. We're not human. We're not human.
That's it.
We're chaos beings, wandering this plane of existence. This way of the world, throw that out the window and get back into your right state of mind, your chaos state of mind. Scientist, creator, magician, potential energy exploder, chaos being. Dream wise.